For Japan, taking off on the end. You know what? Not a bad idea right there for Kondo. Doink on the end, so Yoshitada
in second place. He can get into this barrel.
Oh! Hey! And he cleaned it! And he cleaned it!
With the Rolo.
Kondo!
Uh-oh.
Yeah, he flew right through. Oh, Kondo. Kondo.
A little nugget on
this is
inside.
Kondo. Look at this.
Kondo-san.
Look at that. He got some shackness right there.
Ooh, but 6.33. This is blue. Kondo-san goes. Oh,
hello.
Beautiful arch in there.
Hello.
Needing a 3.51 to make it through. So like I was saying, you catch those smaller inside waves, you have to do something.
There's Kondo. Yeah, reverse right there for Kondo. This is blue right here. This is Kondo. Big wave for Kondo right there. Look at the spit. Yoshitada Kondo. And this is taking off. Kondo under the lip already. Did he come? Oh! Oh! Kondo! Are you kidding me? Yoshitada Kondo in second and winning the heat, Dave Hubbard. Ooh, wow, what was that?
Riding.
A little bit of jockeying going on right there, you think? That's Kondo.
Nice.
Yoshitada Kondo.
Yoshi Big Tada Kondo.
Look at Kondo.
There we go. We got Yoshitada.
Oh, watch out. Oh.
Man. Splitting the peak.
Uh-oh, splitting peak right here with the count. Oh, countdown. Oh, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you serious? Oh, no.
Yoshitada.
Jones Russell, second place, Yoshitada Kondo. And winning that heat, Pierre Costes.
So we got black up and riding, Yoshitada Kondo. The big ARS.
3-3, here we go.
We got Kondo up and
That's
riding.
Kondo. Oh, look at this wave.
Nice long ride there.
Oh, that's a pretty good ride there. I don't know if it's going to be enough to get it. Look at Kondo though.
Just gets denied.
Wow.
Black up and riding, Yoshitada pulling in. Nice little barrel ride. Comes out with a roll.
Oh, Kondo is trying to fight through here.
And a spin. Yeah. Connecting to the inside of the
Look
reverse.
at this.
He's taking it all the way in because he might as well. It's his probably his last ride of this heat. And rolls on the inside.
Yoshitada Kondo. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.